Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ashwagandha root powder. First, gather your dried ashwagandha roots. It is crucial to ensure they are completely dry to prevent mold and achieve a fine powder. Inspect the roots carefully, removing any dirt or small stones. This preparation step is vital for both safety and the quality of your final product. A clean starting material makes all the difference. Once your roots are clean and dry, break them into smaller, manageable pieces. This helps protect your grinder and ensures a more even grind. Place the pieces into a high-speed blender or a dedicated coffee grinder. Grind in short, controlled bursts, allowing the motor to cool between cycles. This prevents overheating and helps achieve a consistently fine powder without damaging your equipment. After the initial grind, you'll likely have a mix of fine powder and larger pieces. To achieve a smooth, consistent powder, sift the material through a fine mesh sieve. Any larger particles that don't pass through should be returned to the grinder for another round. Repeat this sifting and grinding process until all the root material is transformed into a uniform, fine powder. Patience here yields the best results. Proper storage is key to maintaining the potency and freshness of your homemade ashwagandha powder. Transfer the finished powder into an airtight container, such as a glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Store it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and humidity, to preserve its beneficial compounds for as long as possible. For more details and other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below this video. Enjoy your fresh powder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.